Anybody that give me information about monkey face where it dey, even though it dey with any people, anybody, more than call me, I beg. I'll give that person 2 million. Instantly transfer.
My people, Tony Kabaka don come out. Monkey face. See Tony Kabaka for your back. Tony Kabaka don come and say anybody wey know where monkey face dey, even though say e dey government house, even though say na Ogbalegbe place e dey, e say make una contact am 2M for your account. Cash o, no be say come tomorrow, come next tomorrow. I go put the video for una, more na lis ten. This one na the video wey be say e do. He direct do am, no be say they say. He don send anybody come. Na he do am by himself. Say anywhere una know say e dey for this Nigeria, make una tell am. Monkey face. My nugajo cannot damn wa. My people, me I believe say this monkey face, e don do burial. Okay? Me I believe say e don do the burial. So as e don do am, I see say nobody notice am say e dey around, so na make am burst that video come out, that video wey be say e do for the village. You understand? Because otherwise, if e never do am, if e no come out, come dey talk for outside. So me I surely believe say the burial wey be say e wan come do, e don do am, because normally na wetin carry person go river na person dey do before you go dey do another thing. So as e come Nigeria, e rush do that video. Do that burial. As he do that burial now, so now make am come dey come out say I dey Nigeria. Otherwise, if I not show, because you know say nobody go take am lightly with am. So me I believe say he not even dead in Nigeria now. That very day when they tell am say may you try, may you come out to na igbaga. He not dey, but maybe he dey somewhere else, but he not dey for those state at all. Maybe he don't go another place. Maybe if he go Ghana. All right, me I put this video more na watch am now. Bye for now.
I beg, una good morning, brothers and sisters. This boy, monkey face, he dey do video, he will say they in a lie. Monkey face, not dey Benin. Anybody wey know say dey Benin, I beg, may they give me information. Me, Tony Kabaka. May they give me that information. Anybody that give me information about monkey face where it dey, even though it dey with any people, anybody, more than call me, I beg. I'll give that person 2 million. Instantly transfer, instant transfer. I beg. Anybody will know where monkey face. Monkey face will follow me for Akugbe venture. Now my hand, monkey face for gather money we take travel go abroad. Monkey face was our boy. I don't know say I be monkey face. If I see him anywhere now you see him bear, mona let me know I beg. 2 million cash. May they call me. My number is 08037 400 343. I want to repeat again my number, my phone number 08037 400 343. Anywhere on see monkey face, wanna call me a bed. Anywhere on see him. If we cash him, we go naked down. We'll carry and go palace. He go swear grant. After he swore going back for what he use the man talk against the monarch. After he swore going back, they will play band for long. Anybody who can associate himself with an I know that we must follow the tradition. Monkey face too small, person way fair. I don't even know say I be monkey face. I don't even know say I be monkey face. He don't fair work follow me. Now today person they tell me, but you don't know monkey face. Monkey face don't fair Eddie Murphy. Eddie monkey face. I don't know his real name. I bet anybody will know his real name. Now person come and tell me, say, pa, you don't know that boy. If I work for Akugbe, you don't say, eh? He said, now one small boy because he there abroad. I say, what? I beg anybody will know where they. That small rat. But we know people where they support him. We want to know who's supporting him, who is backing him, and who is giving him backup. To be that small rat, to be insulting the monarch. So it looks somehow. So anybody will know where they will give her 2 million. Give us the information. Now the entire Benin, I want to invade them. May know what he do. Say it's a taboo. God bless you. Thank you.